Good morning, my friends. Welcome back to my channel, Where is Brittany? I'm picking you back up in Jackson, Mississippi. Last night we stayed at this state park, and this morning I decided to go ahead and utilize the facilities. No need for these today. Yes, we have jump shoes. Let's do it. Hey friends, it's me, Brittany, and I am coming to you from inside of my beautiful tiny home on wheels, Domino, and I'm in Florida. I know like the last 600 miles I didn't film, unfortunately, because on the morning that you just saw, I received news that my aunt passed away, and I just didn't want to film anymore. We basically started this trip, you know, to make it home by Christmas and surprise my family, and nobody knew we were coming. And you know, that particular morning I got the phone call that my aunt passed, and you know, I just didn't want to film anymore. I just didn't want to like fake the funk and put a camera in front of my face and just, you know, throw on this fake smile, because I had to fake it a lot. I had to fake it a lot in the military, and that's one thing I'm not gonna do in this life that I've created for myself. I'm not gonna like fake the funk. So I just decided to put the camera down, and we basically booked it the rest of the way, and we were able to make it home in time for Christmas, so that was nice. And you know, it was really nice just being around family, because the last time we were all together was at my wedding, which was the beginning of 2020. So yeah, this was much needed. So basically, while we were here, Andrew really didn't have much time to like hang out and stuff because he still needed to make it back to Nevada for work. So we kind of made it our mission to just eat all the good food while he was here, and basically I think we did good. Tell me what you think. The first one is some Caribbean food, and I can't remember which, you know, is which, but we had oxtails, jerk chicken, and curry goat. And Jacksonville is known for its seafood, so what you see, we had snow crabs, shrimp, garlic mussels, king crabs, and all the sides, to include potatoes, eggs, and sausage. And then this little potato bowl Basically they had little crab cakes and shrimp. Just like that, I'm back to solo travel, and with the extra space, I decided to host a slumber party in Dom with my little sisters. I took them to Stephen Foster State Park in Florida, and basically, you know, we got there in sunlight, so we needed to go ahead and gather enough wood for the campfire for that night. I think we did that.
Jada, stop it.
No, Jada. No. Until we get this together. So let's put some of that up in there.
When are we gonna start the fire?
When it starts to get dark. So we can do some exploring after we get finished getting the fire together.
Like that rain.
So yeah, better be here.
So we have to use it like it's new?
No, we used it.
We gonna get
the
it.
ground. Be careful. All right. Yeah. Okay, you got it. Good job.
Finally.
Please show. What dip? It's like she was playing golf.
Port round.
Yep, but you got it. Sweet. Good job.
That was so whack. Oh wow. I'm trying to get it. Got it.
Yeah, let me see. Oh, you did.
You didn't make a dent in the ground like I did.
Nice. Yep, no dent in the ground. Wait a minute.
Oh, let's patch that up.
Nice. Sweet. That's your prize.
Yeah. No. Pro Axe store.
Bye. Okay, so this is actually going to be my first campfire by myself. Like, anytime I've had a campfire, like, somebody else has always started it. So just based off of stuff that I've seen and watched on other YouTube channels, let me show you how I got this fire going, or how I'm going to get this fire going and hopefully lasting. Let's see. Alright, so we gathered quite a bit of stuff. Let's see what we have at the bottom. I put moss first, and then some sticks, and then whatever these pine, I don't know, maybe pine needles. And so this is basically the only two pieces of wood, little logs, that we have. And I'm pretty sure they'll burn at least for an hour. So I'm thinking this should be good enough to keep it going until the wood is completely, you know, ashes, I guess. I also bought some like fire starter stuff. Oh, let me show you. So I bought these. See. Then I bought these. Oops. And I bought this. And so I'm hoping I don't need the fire starter cubes, but just in case, I didn't know how moist it was going to be because it rained a lot yesterday. And so I bought the fire starter cubes. Hopefully I don't need them because, you know, we just did that good setting up the fire. And then the color flames, those are fun. You've seen them in maybe a few videos ago, maybe 4 videos ago, or 4 or 5. And so yes, it's supposed to change the fire to different colors. And so this is my sister's like first, you know, van life, bus life experience. And so I just wanted to have it, you know, just super cute, something nice. And chill for them. But I'm gonna go ahead and go because his dog's barking and they just woke Miss Jada baby up. Jada girl. No. No bark. No. So here's dinner for tonight. Pre-made. Shredded chicken and enchilada sauce sandwiches make like tacos. I wanted something super easy with, you know, the least amount of ingredients as possible. I'm a boss. I pull up in my tuxedo and my mom. Having smells.
Oh, what happened?
Sucker day for you. No short baby, mama's keeping it cute.
That was supposed to
No, if you know something. Song. And Dad came in my room and I was like, nobody's supposed to be here, Dad. He was like, what?
I just found all of this. We actually could have used this wood last night. Look. The tree branch had broken. This would have been nice for the fire. For breakfast, we had hash browns with beef sausage and egg whites. And after that, we had to clean up the campsite and we left. And now, it's just me and Jada here in Florida. And I guess it's time for the real adventures to begin. But you'll have to wait and see that on the next episode. So with that, I'm gonna let you guys go. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if there's something you like. And I'll see you guys in a few days, actually. Bye.